Hi, I'm Eileen, and I am a volunteer with Creations for Cures, and I'm here with you in the month of September to make another fun craft. This month, we're going to make paper plate crowns. So I've already made this one. This is my first paper plate crown. Kind of decorated it. I used some stickers to kind of make it extra fancy, but this is what we're going to make today.
Your Majesty, new crown?
Yes. Isn't it wonderful? Yes, very wonderful.
Grabbing Goblin!
Sorry.
So I'm really excited about this. So some of the supplies that you're going to need are just some very plain paper plates or a bowl. You could use either one. I have some markers. I also have some crayons. I have my scissors because I have to do a little cutting. I have some glue in case I want to glue down some pom-poms. I have some fun pom-poms. Like I said, I have some stickers I can use on my crown if I want to use those. I even have some paints. So let's get started on this project. I have my paper plate, and the first thing I'm going to do actually is kind of draw on my paper plate so I know exactly where I want to make the cuts for my crown. So I'm going to turn it over on the bottom. I'm going to take my marker, and I'm going to just draw some lines through it, almost like if I was gonna cut a big piece of pie.
Creamy cream pie.
So I'm gonna first do it like this, and then I'm gonna do lines right through those. You can make as many lines as you want to make as many points on your crown as you want. So those are all the ones that I'm gonna do. Put my marker away, cover it up so it doesn't dry out. And then I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm gonna be very careful. And I'm just gonna kind of poke a hole right in the middle of the plate. So just be careful when you're doing this. Obviously you don't wanna cut yourself, so there's my hole. And then that's just gonna make it easier for me to cut. So I'm gonna cut along my lines, or as close to my lines as I can. Like I said, to kind of make the points of my crown. But I'm only gonna cut to the edge of the plate. So I'm only gonna cut to the very edge of the plate. I don't wanna cut all the way through, because then I would be making a crown. So here's all my cuts straight through. I don't know what kind of crown I'm gonna make this time, but I do wanna have a lot of points on my crown. And then I'll decide if I want to keep this crown, or maybe I'll give it to somebody else, or why I'm making this crown. I know a lot of people, it's September, so people are probably going back to school.
Won't you be glad to go back to school tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
I'm sure some people are excited about going back to school. Maybe so they can go back and see their old friends. Maybe they're excited to see their new teacher or start in a new grade. But maybe you're starting at a new school and that's a little scary, but it's a good opportunity to meet some new people, make some new friends, and have some new adventures. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm going to decorate my plate. I'm going to color it in. I think this time I'm going to use some of my crayons because I have a lot of colors. Let's see, so many crayons. And right now I'm just going to color in my crown. And then when I'm done coloring, I will decide how else I want to decorate it.
If you want something to go really, really fast, you hit the fast forward button. Fast forward.
Okay, so I colored my plate, and I actually kind of did it in the colors of the rainbow. So I thought that would kind of make for a fun crown. I'm going to pull some of my points up so that they stand up. Just pull them up so that you can kind of see the colors of my crown. If you were going to make a crown, what would you make your crown for? What would be the reason? I mean, maybe because you're going to a new school and you're going to meet new people. It's just a reminder for you that you're special and that you're amazing, and that's why you have a crown.
I'm telling you, if I had a crown like that, I would never take it off. Why, I'd sleep in the thing.
I can add some additional stuff to my crown. I have some pom-poms. If I want to add some pom-poms to my crown, I can certainly do that. I'm gonna maybe glue some pom-poms down here. I can get some really fun pom-poms on there. If they stay glued down with the glue. That just adds some extra, makes it extra special. Are you going to make your crown for you, or are you going to give it to somebody else? Maybe you want to make it for your favorite teacher, to let your favorite teacher know that they're your favorite teacher. Maybe you want to make one for your best friend, to let them know how special they are to you. So there's some, I put some pom-poms on there. But you can make your crown any way you want. You could put stickers on it. I even have some fun tissue paper I could put on there if I want to make it almost look like it's stained glass. So I wonder how you're going to make your crown and who you're going to make your crown for. But either way, make sure you make your crown. Make sure you wear it really proudly so everybody knows just how special you really are.
This is the most beautiful crown I have ever seen.
Come back and join us for some amazing crafts in October. Maybe we'll do something spooky because Halloween is coming up. But you can see all the crafts that we do and all the stuff that we make on our YouTube channel at creationforcures.com. But come back for our craft next month. Have fun making your crown. Bye.